Namaste Vidyarthi Mitra Maitrininno. Last time we started the chapter Pythagoras theorem, and today we are going to learn the next topic, that is property of 30, 60, 90 degree and property of 45, 45, 90 degree. Now what is the first property, that is 30, 60, 90 degree? Let us see the statement. Page number 31. I am reading the statement. If acute angles of a right angle triangle are 30 degree and 60 degree, then the side opposite to 30 degree angle is half of the hypotenuse, and the side opposite to 60 degree angle is root 3 upon 2 times the hypotenuse. Is all you understood the statement? In any right angle triangle, all you know, minimum one angle should be 90 degree, that I explained last time. For right angle triangle, minimum one angle should be 90 degree. And you know, sum of all three angles is equal to 180 degree. If one angle is 90 degree, remaining two angles are automatically less than 90 degree. Then you will get addition 90. 90 plus 90, 180. So, in any right angle triangle, except right angle, remaining two angles are always acute angle. And if the measure of acute angles in any right angle triangle are 30 degree and 60 degree, then we have to use this property. So in triangle ABC, if measure angle C is equal to 30 degree, measure angle A is equal to 60 degree, and measure angle B is equal to 90 degree, then first property, side opposite to 30 degree is equal to half into hypotenuse. Or you learn the statement, in any right angle triangle, if the angles are 30, 60, 90 degree, then side opposite to 30 degree is always half of the hypotenuse, and side opposite to 60 degree is root 3 upon 2 times the hypotenuse. So this is the property. From diagram we can understand the property. Side opposite to 30 degree. So in this right angle triangle, this angle is 30 degree, angle C is 30 degree. Side opposite to 30 degree, that is AB. Side opposite to 30 degree is half of the hypotenuse. So here AC is the hypotenuse. So side opposite to 30 degree AB is half of the hypotenuse, and side opposite to 60 degree is root 3 upon 2 times the hypotenuse. So again here hypotenuse is AC, and here which is the side opposite to 60 degree? Side opposite to 60 degree is BC. These are the two formulas you have to remember. Again I am giving the explanation. Side opposite to 30 degree, that is AB, is equal to half of the hypotenuse, so half into AC. And side opposite to 60 degree, that is BC, is equal to root 3 upon 2 times the hypotenuse, means AC. Like this you have to write down the formula. Now we will learn one sum related to this property. Suppose I will take here, in triangle ABC, if angle C 30, angle A 60, angle B 90 degree, and AC is equal to 10. AC is equal to 10. Find AB and BC. Find AB and BC. This is the question. Then how to solve the sum? See, again all the steps remain same. This is your solution. First you have to write the formula. Side opposite to 30 degree, that is AB, is equal to half of the hypotenuse, that is AC. Substitute the value. here is equal to half into AC is 10 centimeter. I will substitute value 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. Therefore, you will get here AC is equal to, sorry, AB is equal to 5. So here you got the answer. Find AB. AB is equal to 5. Second part, you have to find BC. Now here BC is the side opposite to 60 degree. Again, focus on formula. Side opposite to 60 degree is root 3 upon 2 times the hypotenuse. This is the formula. Substitute value. BC is equal to root 3 upon 2 times the AC. AC is already given, hypotenuse, that is 10. 2 ones are 2 5s are 10. Therefore here you will get root 3 into 5, that is 5 root 3. Therefore we will write the answer. BC is equal to 5 root 3. Like this, you calculated AB and BC with the help of this formula. Now translate to second property. What is the statement of second property? It is given on page number 32. See, if the acute angles of right angle triangle are 45 and 45, then each of the perpendicular side is 1 upon root 2 times hypotenuse. See, in any right angle triangle, you know one angle is 90 degree. The remaining two angles here we learn 30 degree and 60 degree. But in second property, one angle is 90 degree, and if remaining angles are 45 degree and 45 degree, here it is given angle P is 45, R is 45 and Q is 90 degree. Then what this property tells us? Then length of each perpendicular side. Length of each perpendicular side. Here perpendicular sides are PQ and QR. Everyone know in any triangle, if two angles are equal, then the triangle become isosceles triangle. So here 45, 45, 90 degree triangle is always isosceles, and here PQ is congruent with QR. Therefore formula is given like this. Length of perpendicular sides is equal to 1 upon root 2 times the hypotenuse. And from diagram you can write which are the perpendicular sides. PQ and QR are the perpendicular sides. PQ is equal to QR is equal to 1 upon root 2 times the hypotenuse. That is PR. This is the formula. Again I will repeat. In any right angle triangle, if the acute angles are 45 and 45 degree, then length of perpendicular sides means PQ and QR. Length of perpendicular sides is 1 upon root 2 times the hypotenuse. So if hypotenuse is given, you can find the length of perpendicular sides. Or in another way, if any one side is given, hypotenuse can be calculated. Okay. So here we will take one sum related to this formula. Suppose I will take one sum. Question. In triangle PQR, if P45, R45, Q90 degree and PR is equal to 5 root 2. Find PQ and QR. Find PQ and QR is the question. How to solve this sum? This is the solution. First write down the formula. Length of perpendicular sides is equal to 1 upon root 2 into hypotenuse. Perpendicular sides are PQ and QR is equal to 1 upon root 2 into hypotenuse is PR. In this sum, value of PR is 5 root 2. And you have to find the PQ and QR. So just substitute the value. PQ is equal to QR is equal to 1 upon root 2 times the PR. PR is 5 root 2. Here root 2 and root 2 get cancelled. So answer is PQ is equal to QR is equal to 5. Here root 2 and root 2 cancel. So this is the answer. Find PQ and QR. PQ and QR is equal to 5. Like this, today we will learn the two properties, that is 30, 60, 90 degree and 45, 45, 90 degree. In triangle, if angles are 30, 60, 90, side opposite to 30 degree, AB is half of the hypotenuse, and side opposite to 60 degree, BC is root 3 upon 2 times the hypotenuse. And if the angles of a right angle triangle are 45, 45 degree and 90 degree, then length of perpendicular sides is equal to 1 upon root 2 times the hypotenuse. And two sums we learn. Now, take few more sums related to these two properties. For practice, we will take two more sums so that your concept will be clear. Another question. We will take one sum. See, this is the right angle triangle whose name is PSR. Here angle P is equal to 30 degree, it is mentioned, and SP is 6 root 3. And question is, from given information, find SR and PR. See, this is our question you have to solve. If you observe the diagram, you will come to know triangle is right angle triangle because one angle is 90 degree, one angle is 30 degree. So by angle sum property, if one angle is 30, another angle is 90 degree, the remaining angle will be automatically 60 degree by angle sum property. So this angle will become 60 degree, even though it is not mentioned here. So first we have to mention in a right angle triangle PSR, if angle P is equal to 30 degree and angle S is equal to 90 degree, one angle 30, one angle 90 degree, this angle is not given, so you have to mention what is the measure of that. Therefore you can write measure angle R is equal to 60 degree by angle sum property of triangle. You know sum of all three angles 180 degree, so 90 plus 30 120, remaining angle will be 60 degree. So we prove measure angle R is how it is 60 degree. Therefore triangle become 30, 60, 90 degree. Then if the triangle is of 30, 60, 90 degree, you have to use that two property. Here one side is given, SP is given 6 root 2. So let you know this SP is side opposite to 60 degree. So while starting the sum, while solving the sum, which formula you have to use first? Side opposite to 30 degree or side opposite to 60 degree. As side opposite to 60 degree is known, we will start from that formula. Don't start from side opposite to 30 degree. Because side opposite to 30 degree is half of the hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse is not known, so you can't find this side. Side opposite to 60 degree is root 3 upon 2 times the hypotenuse. You know the formula. Substitute value. Side opposite to 60 degree, SP, is equal to root 3 upon 2 times the hypotenuse. That is hypotenuse side opposite to 90 degree, PR. If SP is given, you can find PR. If PR is known, you can find SP. In this sum, SP is known, 6 root 2 is equal to root 3 upon 2 into PR. Now take numerical at one side, 6 root 2 into root 3 upon 2. After shifting, it will become 2 upon root 3. पक्षांतर केलं, रूट 3 upon 2 या बाजूला आणल्यानंतर रूट 3 upon 2 चे 2 upon root 3 होईल. After shifting, it will become, we have to take reciprocal. Here root 3 and root 3 get cancelled, so 6 2s are 12. Therefore 12 is equal to PR, means PR is equal to 12. Mention that value which you calculated. Here you got PR is 12. I will circle it. Now you have to find another side. You calculate PR first, then you have to find SR also. Now SR is the side opposite to 30 degree. Then use the second formula. Side opposite to 30 degree is half into hypotenuse. Side opposite to 30 degree is SR is equal to half into hypotenuse is PR. Now, in this formula, SR you have to find half into PR you calculated, that is 12. Substitute that value because you have calculated already that hypotenuse 12. 2 6 are 12. Therefore, SR is equal to 6. Like this, you calculated SR and PR. SR is 6, PR is 12. Like this, you have to think, if the side opposite to 60 degree is given, start from that formula first. If you know the side opposite to 30 degree, if it is given, then from this formula. Start from this formula. Like this, you have to choose the formula and you have to work out the sum related to 30, 60, 90 degree. Now take one more sum related to 45, 45, 90 degree triangle. Second sum. Again, this is right angle triangle whose name is PQR. Angles are 45, 45, 90 degree, and the hypotenuse is root 8. Question is, in triangle PQR, if angle P is equal to angle R is equal to 45 degree and PR is equal to root 8, find PQ and QR. Same method you have to follow. First identify the formula 45, 45, 90 degree. So mention here by 45, 45, 90 degree theorem or property. Length of perpendicular side or perpendicular sides are 1 upon root 2 times the hypotenuse. You know 45, 45, 90 degree property. If the angles are 45, 45, 90, triangle is isosceles. Perpendicular sides are congruent. And the length of perpendicular sides, that is PQ is equal to QR is equal to 1 upon root 2 times the hypotenuse. PR is root 8. Now, it is an irrational number. You can split root 8 as 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. If order is 2, out of two same number, one number come out. So root 8 can be split as 2 root 2. So here 1 upon root 2 into root 8 can be written as 2 root 2. Here root 2 and root 2 get cancelled. That is 2. Therefore, PQ is equal to QR is equal to 2. Like this, you have to solve the sum by using formula. So, today we learn two properties, 30, 60, 90 degree and 45, 45, 90 degree property, and some related to that two properties. I hope so you might be understood that. Thank you.